Acres! Today is Tuesday. It is October the 13th, and it is a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Game day is tomorrow. We'll have an all-school Kahoot happening between our AM and PM sessions. That's happening tomorrow. That is, if you want to get more information, take a look at our GAMS Schoology page. It's got the Zoom access. As always, Wednesday, tomorrow, is our RTI day. So don't forget, we've got our schedule here. Do make sure you're showing up to A, your advisory class, and B, to your actual RTIs. And for those of you who are showing up to the RTI or not showing up to your RTI right after you have the same teacher for advisory, shame on you. Show up. Do your job. Come on now, folks. So remember, our teachers are assigning you this week. You show up to school. You check in with your advisory teacher. They tell you which RTIs to attend. And you go to those RTIs and take care of business. We have 3 weeks to the end of the marking period. Let's make sure we're doing everything we can to raise up our grades. Do you want to be in the yearbook? Then don't avoid your emails. Everyone's getting an email from the yearbook staff. Right now, it's to get your selfie taken or someone to take a picture of you for your school picture. So make sure you get your hair all dolled up nice. You're wearing a nice clean shirt. And we're hoping to get you in the yearbook at least 3 times. So make sure you take advantage of those opportunities when they're presented to you in your email. And our thought for the week, let's talk about being thoughtful. So let's be kind, for everyone you may meet is fighting a battle. That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with heart. Have a great day.